Good morning, class, or good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Amelia Joaquim Rao. I am your instructor for the art of academic essay writing. Welcome to your course. In this course, you're going to learn about the writing process, especially when it comes to the 5-paragraph essay writing. We will address the introduction, body paragraphs, and at the end, the conclusion of an essay. I look forward to having you in this short 4-week course. And if you think writing is difficult, well, it's not really that difficult. We will learn all about the writing process. I look forward to meeting you in class.